I'm Deborah Kniss with RE/MAX, and I'd like to welcome you to my new listing at 2061 Calle, Yucca in Thousand Oaks. This is the Lynn Ranch area, and I'm so excited to share this new listing with you because I have to tell you, it's the first time it's been on the market. It was built in 1966, and this is a special property in a special area. The home itself is single story, over 4,000 square feet. Think of this, it's a fabulous floor plan with a little bit of a raised foundation too. In addition, it's on a 26,000 square foot, pretty much flat lot. Think RV, think ADU possibility. There's bridle paths, and we're really near the Thousand Oaks Mall too. So you feel like you're out in the country here, but you're really close to town. So I'm really excited to show you, so come on in and let's take a look. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to see additional videos of my work in Ventura and Los Angeles counties.